Geez, guys, I didn't even see you there. Hi. See, these are the guys you just gotta chill and hang out with. There's the groom there.
Riding around.
There goes the groom right there, just riding around on a golf cart. So we're still down here in Mexico between Puerto Morales and Playa de Carmen. We're at the Fives Beach Resort in the dive center. It's been a pretty incredible week. The hospitality and the food here at the restaurants and the venue have been absolutely amazing, like top shelf food. And I'm not a resort person by any means, but this does not feel like a resort to me. It's so big and so vast. It's so spread out. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't feel like what you would call a resort. And we've had a good couple days diving. We were out in Puerto Morales. We had the big 72-foot yacht out yesterday down off of Immerse with H2O Sun Cruises. Shout out to those guys. We'll put a link up here in the description.
The bar's open.
For that tour company, we had a great time with them. They did very well. The boat was fantastic. We were going to go out farther into a snorkel setup out to the reef, but it was pretty heavy onshore winds yesterday, so it kind of gave us a bit of chop, and we didn't want everybody getting sick. And so we pulled the boat into this big lagoon, and we just hung out there and jumped off the boat, and everybody had a blast. It was great. Yeah, today's the wedding day for Corey and Mandy. So Rebecca's upstairs right now getting her hair done. The rest of the girls are in the suite getting their stuff done, and the boys are off getting dressed and ready to go. And then the wedding is tonight at 6 o'clock. And then we have the reception right after, and it's going to be great. They've already designated the area down at the front. It's right at the beach, right at the pool. They've already built the gazebo, set all the chairs up. It's pretty impressive. It seems like there's almost like 4 to 6 weddings a day here. There's the groom there.
Riding around.
There goes the groom right there, just riding around on a golf cart. We've got like 88 people down here right now that Mandy and Corey have brought down here. So it's been a really good, fun week. It's been a fun crew of people. Most of them I did not know until now because I haven't had a chance because I never get down to Windsor. It's a bit of a drive for us to get down there. So we never get down there between work and me being away all the time. We're leaving because we came in a few days before everybody else. We're going to be heading out of here on Friday. So tomorrow, I think we're going to head back up to Puerto Morales, and we're going to go do some more snorkeling up on the reef. Maybe do some diving with Alberto and Marco Ivan and Gustavo and Carlos from the Fives Dive Center. Those guys are fantastic. If you're looking for any kind of diving, or you want to get in, you want to renew your certification or do your certification, I can't recommend them enough. They spend so much time with us going over things, what would be best with us, for us moving forward with Beck with her fear of claustrophobia and stuff like that, and just the time they took, the patience, the instruction. It was unbelievable. There's a reason why down here is one of the best spots where everybody always comes to dive between here and out on Cozumel. So I can't wait to go home now, get certified, and we will definitely be back so we can go out with them. So we're probably going to go do that, go do another snorkel, maybe a dive tomorrow, see how much time we have, and just hang out up there. And then we'll get packed up and we'll get out of here on Friday. So if you enjoy these videos, please like and subscribe wherever they might end up. And yeah, it helps the algorithm apparently, and helps the channel. And I appreciate everybody's support in the comments. And this has been a fun trip. It's been a really good, relaxing, fun trip. It's been nice here, actually. I just spent some time going around today with the one of the plant apps on the phone. I think Picture This. I went around and found a bunch of stuff here to get the proper origin and the name of these plants and trees, so I can get some stuff planted at the house. The traveler's palm is a big one. Then there's a couple hibiscus shrubs. So, but yeah, once we do that and get this wedding over with, then we're good, and then it's on to the next adventure. So hit the like and the subscribe. Greatly appreciate all the support. Leave a comment down below. Let us know where we should go to next. Stay tuned. Appreciate it. Oh, hello, Coatis. Where'd you go? Hello, bud. Hi, bud. Hello. What are you doing? Hello there. Hi. Coati interruption. Man, those things are cool. All right, we are now running back and forth. We're gonna go to Mandy's. We gotta get some stuff for Rebecca and then run back and run forth and run back. So we're just gonna run through the jungle a couple times today and possibly see the monkeys. Hi, big fella. Oh.
Reach it? You have something around. I think he might be just playing a game with you guys.
He's just messing with us now.
Yeah, he's messing with us.
Basically.
Right.
I like your swim trunks.
Thank you. I like your sunglasses.
Thanks. I can't get it.
It's okay.
Aww. He's like, oh. He's like, oh, cute.
He's just posing.
Okay, so let's continue on. We're supposed to be going and getting stuff and running an errand, and now I've been sidetracked by Coati and a bunch of monkeys. This place is amazing. But oh, geez, guys, I didn't even see you there. Hi. See, these are the guys you just gotta chill and hang out with. Hi, you guys good? Fist bump. That's pretty sweet. Hey, you guys just chilling? You guys just chilling? Yeah. Gotta love this stuff. This is exactly why I love being able to come and do cool things like this. It's totally worth it. Good. Oh, he's posing. Just chilling. Yeah. Oh, don't fall. Don't fall. Okay, we still have to go get wedding stuff. Okay, see you in a bit. We're here at the villa. Let's go upstairs to the penthouse and see what we got. I can hear the music coming from over that way. Let's get upstairs here and get this stuff. Let's take the stairs. Let's see how fast we can go. Hola.
Hola.
I would have been here like 9 minutes ago, but every monkey and every coati is out on the path. The whole way. Hanging on the banister, balls and wieners everywhere. They're right here on the banister out there, two of them just chilling like this. You might not see them. I don't know if you can see them from this side or not. What do you got?
Please ask her to bring this back with her.
I'm running it over and bringing it back.
Oh, no, don't bring it back. She can bring it back when she comes here. I do not need it immediately.
Are you sure?
Have a quick shower. Yes,
Okay.
absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah, no worries. We're good. Whatever this is. Let's go back and see the monkeys. Oh, it's like a bunch of them are all up here.
Take that, honey. They do have very cute little faces. I see one in the tree.
No. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Oh my God.
I ain't got no food.
Hey everybody. Today. Hey bud. Alright, well the pathway's on fire today with monkeys, so that's amazing. It's so cool. Okay, let's get this back to the room. See you in a bit. Today is Wildlife Central. That's pretty sweet. Gotta love that. Okay, that took forever.
Yeah, and the funny thing is, you did not even need to go because I have to go over there now.
I've never seen so many monkeys hanging out on the pathway, Coati, all the way down, all the way back.
Really?
Unbelievable. Chilling. Like, the pathway is lit up with monkeys right now.
Really? Which pathway?
Right here. The one that goes the one that cuts through the bush.
What?
Yeah.
Really?
I walked out of here, I walk around the corner, and I could hear one, and I just got onto the trail, and they're sitting right there, and I'm like, oh, so this is how this is gonna go, huh?